Sir, I actually wanted to ask you this thing that when we are doing a PhD, right? So, what is the best time to write a paper while we are doing a PhD?
Now, let me tell you, Mr. Chandan, that actually before you should go for your synopsis, even I tell the students to write at least two papers. Now, the first paper is your review
Okay.
paper in which you actually cover comprehensively regarding the domain knowledge and what is the latest things that are coming. Now, you see that if you're writing the paper of cloud computing today, the face of cloud computing, which was about 5 years back, even it is not the same today. We have
Yes,
lots of
yes.
techniques, lots of tools, new terminologies. So please
Mhm.
write a review paper so that you can have a complete understanding that what is the domain knowledge and what are the new things that are coming. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the review paper. And after you have done your literature view, make a systematic literature view paper of your area so that you can summarize the basic papers and the problems that you are going to orient and you are going to solve with that. And after that, once you have done your synopsis, then you can go for the regular intervals that, okay, this is the paper for my objective one, this is the paper for my objective two. And once you're okay with everything, then you can write your complete summarized research paper, which will actually come to you when you want to publish towards SCA journals. So that's the time.
So, at first synopsis, we can write a
Minimum
literature
two. Minimum two.
review
Yeah.
paper minimum two. One is one is a general one, and one is a systematic way.
Yeah. Systematic
And
literature.
yes, and after when we have done our synopsis, we can write one for each of our objective, and finally
Yes.
at the last a complete summary.
Every objective can be your research paper. Because why? Because
Yes.
if you're like because if you're doing a PhD work, which means your objectives are actually novel, which means you're going to
Hmm.
propose something. And
Yes.
now
Yes.
if you're obtaining one objective, it means that objective has to be turned to a research paper. And many
Yes.
people ask me that, sir, what paper we should write? I always tell them, follow your objectives. Every objective is your research
Hmm.
paper, which means if you have followed a particular objective, you have done a particular work in your PhD, which means it is a novel research. You have attained something.
Hmm.
So this is the
Hmm.
research paper. Go the research paper in the word. That is the reason. So don't stop. Keep moving.
So thank you so much for this answer, sir. I'm really thankful.